Have you ever brought home a gorgeous bouquet, only to watch it droop and wilt way too soon? It's such a letdown when those vibrant blooms you were so excited about start looking sad after just a couple of days. But don't worry, there are some surprisingly easy tricks you can use right in your kitchen to keep your flowers looking fresh and lively for much longer. Today, I'm sharing 3 genius flower hacks that anyone can do at home. These simple steps will help your bouquet stay beautiful for weeks, not just days. Whether you love having flowers on your kitchen table, or you want to make a gift bouquet last, these tips are for you. Hack number 1. Always trim your flower stems at an angle, and do it under running water. This might sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. Cutting at an angle increases the surface area for water absorption, and trimming underwater prevents air from sneaking into the stems, which can block water flow and cause wilting. Use sharp scissors or a floral knife for the cleanest cut. Dull blades can crush the stems, making it harder for your flowers to drink up water. Every few days, snip off about an inch from the bottom of each stem. This keeps the ends fresh and open, so your flowers can keep soaking up water and nutrients. Make it a habit to trim the stems every 3-4 days for the best results. Hack number 2. Give your flowers a little snack. Add a teaspoon of sugar to the vase water. The sugar acts as plant food, giving your flowers the energy they need to stay perky and colorful. If you don't have sugar on hand, a splash of clear lemon-lime soda works just as well. The sugar and citric acid in the soda help nourish the flowers and keep bacteria at bay. And don't forget to change the water every 2 days. Fresh water prevents bacteria from building up and keeps your bouquet smelling sweet. Hack number 3. Drop a clean penny into the vase. This old-school trick really works. The copper in the penny acts as a natural antibacterial agent, helping to kill off the bacteria that can make your flowers wilt and the water turn cloudy. Just make sure the penny is shiny and clean before you add it. If it's dirty, give it a quick wash so you don't introduce any extra germs into the vase. This simple step can make a big difference in how long your flowers last. With these 3 easy hacks, trimming stems at an angle underwater, feeding your flowers with sugar or soda, and adding a clean penny, you'll be amazed at how much longer your bouquets stay fresh and beautiful. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, share this video with a friend who loves flowers, and don't forget to subscribe for more clever kitchen and home tips. Happy flower arranging!